If your feet could talk, what would they say about your shoes? Would they whisper thank yous or scream for rescue? For too long, women have been told that style comes before comfort, that beauty is pain, that if a shoe doesn't pinch, it's probably not fashionable enough. But here's the truth every woman deserves to know. Comfort is the new luxury, and the most stylish women, they walk with ease. So let's talk about comfortable shoes. Not the frumpy kind you hide in your gym bag, but the ones that make your feet feel hugged, not handcuffed. 1. Start with your arch, dot. Do you know your arch tie? Most women don't, but it's a game changer. If your arch is low, flat feet, you need support that prevents your foot from collapsing inward. If it's high, your foot doesn't absorb shock well, so you need cushioning. Most women fall somewhere in between. The most comfortable shoes start by respecting your natural foot shape, not forcing it into something it's not. 2. Flexibility is not optional. Bend the shoe. Literally, if it folds too easily in the middle like a flimsy slipper, it won't support your foot. If it's as stiff as cardboard, it will fight your steps. A truly comfortable shoe bends where your toes naturally flex, near the ball of your foot, and stays firm where your arch needs structure. It's not magic, it's design. 3. The toe box tells the truth. Squish toes are sad toes. That pointed pump may look elegant, but if your toes feel like they're attending a cocktail party in a broom closet, it's a no. Look for a rounded or almond toe box that gives your toes space to spread, especially by days in when your feet swell. Comfort isn't only about what's under your foot, it's also about what surrounds it. 4. Weight matters more than you think. Ever picked up a shoe and felt surprised by how heavy it was? That's your first clue. A comfortable shoe is light enough to forget you're wearing it. Weight adds up over hours of walking, and that can strain your knees, hips, and even your mood. So when you shop, pick up the shoe, feel it, compare your feet carry your whole life. Don't let them carry unnecessary baggage. 5. Breathability is beauty. If your shoes make your feet sweat like you're running a marathon, and you're just grabbing coffee, that's a red flag. Look for natural materials like leather or mesh that let your skin breathe. Shoes that trap heat can cause odor, swelling, and discomfort. Remember, your feet are alive. Treat them like the queens they are. 6. Try them on. The right way. Always try on shoes at the end of the day. When your feet are naturally more swollen, that's the real fit. Wear the same socks or tights you normally wear with the shoe. Walk, stand, pivot. Don't just admire them in the mirror, listen to what your feet are saying. And here's a bonus tip. Walk on different surfaces. A shoe that feels soft on carpet might feel like a punishment on pavement. 7. Trust your feet, not the tag. Ignore the size label. Brands differ, and so do styles. You might be a size 9 in sneakers, but a 10 in boots or an 8.5 in loafers. Go with what feels right, not what the tag says. The best fitting shoe is the one that disappears when you wear it, not the one you're constantly adjusting. You deserve shoes that don't just match your outfit. They should match your lifestyle. That means running errands, dancing at parties, chasing dreams, and standing tall at work without constantly thinking about when you can sit down and slip them off. You can be powerful, feminine, and comfortable. You don't have to trade one for the other. Your comfort is part of your confidence. So next time you buy a pair of shoes, don't just ask, do these look good? Ask, do these love me back? Because girl, you walk through life in those shoes, and every step should feel like freedom. Pro tips to care for your comfortable shoes and keep them looking fabulous. Point 1. Rotate your shoes. Don't wear the same pair daily. Even the most comfortable shoes need a break. When you wear one pair every single day, you compress the cushioning faster and reduce their lifespan. 2. Clean immediately after use. Dust, dirt, and sweat shorten a shoe's life and make them look tired fast. Waterproof the smart way. If your comfortable shoes aren't already waterproof, consider applying a protective spray. This is especially important for suede, Nubic, canvas. Just make sure the spray is safe for your shoe material and test it on a small patch first. Use a shoehorn to slip them on. Stretching or forcing your foot into a shoe can damage the heel area and weaken its structure. Don't machine wash unless approved. It's tempting, but unless the manufacturer says it's safe, don't throw them in the washer. It can ruin both structure and comfort features like padding, memory foam, or stitching. If you must wash, use a gentle hand wash method and air dry away from direct sun or heat. Treat them with love, and they'll return the favor in comfort, style, and longevity, because when your feet are happy, you walk differently, you stand taller, you feel unstoppable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.